Good morning to all my viewers. This is your Misty again. Misty for short. Teresa. I spilled some. Today we are actually making a simple but delicious chicken adobo. I have 4 thighs in my pot right now. So this is going to be a simple one. So first we're going to put our ingredients. We need, this is a medium size of white onions. Just put that on top. And this is about 5 or 6 garlic pieces. Just put that on top. Okay. And this is a tablespoon of black pepper. We're going to put half for now because we don't want it too spicy. Okay. This is about 4 or 5 of bay leaf. Alright. I spilled my vinegar and soy sauce. Anyway, this is a cup of cider, apple cider vinegar. Okay. And half a cup of, this is a regular soy sauce. Any soy sauce will do. And also, this is optional. If you want to put some chicken bouillon, that is up to you. This is a tablespoon. I'm going to put a half for now. You can always adjust it later. Actually, we need sugar, but we'll put that at the end. Alright guys, that's it. All you have to do, just turn your stove or burner, whatever. And we're just gonna cover it. And just let it boil, and we'll check it after that. Isn't it that easy? But it took only, what, 2 minutes? So we're just gonna wait for it to boil, and we'll check it after that. Okay guys, let's check our adobo. Ooh. Smell good right now. So that's about, let me see, about 4 minutes. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna turn my chicken. Turn it over. We actually gonna reduce the liquid, so right now there's a lot of liquid. So I'm gonna wait for it to reduce for about halfway, and then we're gonna remove the chicken and reduce the gravy or the sauce. Alright, so just wait for it to reduce a little bit, about halfway. So we'll go back to our, we're going back to our chicken adobo. Okay guys, let's check our chicken again. It's been 10 minutes in a medium high temperature, so it's starting to reduce now a little bit. So I'm actually just flipping the chicken so I can get an even color. So yeah, but if you want it like a soupy adobo, this is actually good now, but I want it like thick and in a rich color, so I'm gonna reduce it some more. Yeah, so I'll put it in high temperature right now. So we'll be back again guys. The sauce starts to thicken guys. Lower my temperature. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna adjust the sauce. Adjust meaning like the flavor. See if I'm happy with the flavor. So right now, so the chicken is already done. We achieved the color. I'm gonna remove it. I did remove the skin, but if you don't like the skin, you can remove it before you eat the chicken or the adobo. So I'm gonna adjust my temperature to high again. And now I'm definitely gonna put the rest of my black pepper. That's about total of 1 tablespoon. And we're gonna put some sugar to adjust the acidity. We'll do 2 tablespoons for now. Gotta taste it. It's perfect. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Actually, I'm gonna put a twist on this one. We're going to put, this is optional, guys. Of course, we're gonna eat this with rice. This is optional, so the sauce now is thick. So I actually boiled two carrots, 2 medium carrots, and 2 medium-sized potatoes. Any potatoes you like. We're just gonna give it a twist. Or you can actually fry your carrots or potato, but I decided to boil it. Okay. Just let it sit in our sauce. And of course, we're gonna put back our chicken. If you guys can smell this chicken adobo, it smells so good. It's simple, it only takes a couple of minutes. So it's in a high temperature right now because I want our sauce to caramelize a little bit. It's good. So basically, guys, this is ready to serve. Quick and easy and delicious. And this is our famous Filipino chicken adobo, guys, with a twist. Like I said, the carrots and potatoes, it's optional. You don't have to put it. So let me plate this, guys, and I will show you the finished product. Here you go, guys. This is our famous chicken adobo. It's easy to make. It only took a couple of minutes. And this is actually better the next day. So hope you guys try the recipe and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel so I can make more recipe for you guys to share. So yeah, try the recipe. This is the basic Filipino chicken adobo, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next vlog. Thank you.